Hi drifters, mikeworx here with another drift tune. This drift tune I made is personally the best drift car for me. Some others says this is the best, on others' opinion, so check this out. So here's my drift tune setup. They are requested from the video last week. Before you guys adjust the ratios or anything else, this car's HP is 1695 horsepower over 2899 Nm. If your car HP is lower than that, it won't work that good. Use touring tires. Copy the gear ratio. You can pause the video anytime. Here's my suspension setup. I don't use much stiffness, so I slide way better and longer. I like its stances, because I hate whack fitness. Make the steering angle 60 degrees. Stock cog only, and you're ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and you can change your mind.